Okay, so today we are going to talk about this whole drama that is happening between two really famous people, Elon Musk and Donald Trump. Their fight is not a small argument on the internet, it's big and it's making a lot of noise in politics, in business, and even stock market. So let's break down what is actually going on step by step in simple words so everyone can easily get it. So, first thing first, were Allen and Trump always enemy? Actually, no. Their relationship was kind of ups and downs for many years. Before 2016, Allen mostly supported Democrats, like he gave money to Obama's campaign and all. But after Trump won the president elections, Allen joined Trump advisory team for business stuff. At that time, they were two like not exactly friends, but they worked together, hoping to do something good for the country. But things start to go wrong in 2017. Trump decided the US should leave the Paris Climate Agreement. For Allen, climate change it's a big deal, so he quit Trump councils. Still, they didn't just stop talking. Sometimes Trump would praise Musk, especially when SpaceX had a successful rocket launches. Musk even helped Trump bring back to Twitter like after Trump's account got banned. So yeah, they were the moment they got along. But fast forward to 2025, this is where things got spicy. Trump brought up a new law called One Big Beautiful Bill. Sound nice, right? But as always, there's a catch. Musk said this bill is actually bad for regular people and especially for businesses like his. He said it would make America own more money and cut support for clean energy. So, stuff like electric cars would get less help from the governments. There was also something about like stopping a 7,500 tax credit for buying electric cars, and that's a big deal for Tesla. Musk said publicly he was really disappointed in Trump. Now, here is where it becomes personal and messy. Instead of just debating, both start attack each other with words. Musk accused Trump of some really shady things like being in an Epstein file, basically serious drama. Trump came back says Musk has Trump derangement symptoms and even called him crazy at a point. Trump threatened him like cut off all the government contacts with Musk companies. Musk in return said, hey, if it was not for me, Trump would have lost the elections. They even argued on social media, which made everything even more public and heated. So why they are fighting like this? Well, the main reason are pretty clear. First, their ideas about money and the future are really different. Musk want more government help for clean energy, but Trump bills does the opposite. Then there's the ego. Both guys want seems to be as a winner, the one with more power, and of course, their businesses could get hurt. If Trump really pulled those government contacts, SpaceX and Tesla could lose a lot of money. And with the stock market watching all this drama, Tesla value crashed by more than 150 billion in just 1 day. That's not a pocket change. Why does this fight matter to people like us? Well, it's not about two rich men arguing. Because of this fact, regular people can lose money if they are invested in Tesla. People who work at Musk companies might be worried about their job. NASA could be wondering if their space missions will get delayed. Even the government and the whole political scene it get more tense and divided because people start taking sides. As of now, the fight is not over. Both Musk and Trump keep making strong statements about each other. Trump even warned Musk for not to support his politician rival in future elections, promising serious consequences. If Tesla's troubles continues and sales goes down, this whole thing even would get worse. So, in the end, this story is much bigger than just two guys yelling at each other online. It's about how business, government, and social media all are mixed together. Their fight shows how much power these people really have and how quickly their personal issues can affect millions of others. We will definitely keep watching this story because it's not done yet. Let us know what you think in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one.